Welcome to the Spiritual Wealth Academy, where ancient wisdom meets the complexities of modern finance. In today's session, we embark on an enlightening journey into Stoicism, a philosophy that offers much more than historical insight. It provides actionable wisdom that is deeply relevant to our contemporary financial world. Imagine navigating the unpredictable waves of financial markets with the calm of a seasoned captain. This is the promise of Stoicism, a school of thought that teaches us resilience, emotional regulation, and the clarity needed to make sound decisions in a world rife with uncertainty. Stoicism was born in the bustling marketplaces of ancient Greece, devised by Zeno of Citium, and later championed by thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. Its central tenet is straightforward yet profound. While we cannot control external events, we can master our reactions to them, choosing rationality over impulse. This philosophy categorizes life's challenges into two domains: those within our control, our beliefs, judgments, and actions, and those beyond it, external events and the actions of others. For financial enthusiasts, this distinction is crucial. It teaches us to focus our energy on actionable strategies rather than stressing over market fluctuations that we cannot predict or alter. Consider the tumultuous nature of financial markets. Prices fluctuate wildly, trends can reverse unexpectedly, and global events can reshape economic landscapes overnight. Here, Stoicism isn't just useful, it's essential. It equips us to face financial upheavals with a steady hand and a clear mind. Let's delve deeper into the Stoic practice of the Dichotomy of Control. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When applied to finance, this principle revolutionizes our approach to investing. It encourages us to focus on our investment strategy, risk management, and personal financial goals, rather than getting swept up in the emotional roller coaster of market highs and lows. Another powerful Stoic tool is premeditatio malorum, which involves anticipating potential challenges and setbacks. In financial planning, this means being mentally and strategically prepared for economic downturns or market crashes. By envisaging these scenarios, we can develop contingency plans, such as diversified portfolios or emergency funds, which enable us to navigate through financial storms without panic. Amor fati, or the love of fate, is a Stoic concept that teaches us to embrace life's events, not merely as bearable, but as beneficial. For an investor, this mindset transforms financial downturns from dreaded losses to opportunities for growth and learning. It encourages viewing market corrections as chances to purchase undervalued stocks or to reassess and strengthen financial strategies. Imagine a Stoic investor faced with a sudden market downturn. While others might panic sell, a Stoic investor, guided by principles of rationality and long-term thinking, recognizes this as a natural ebb of the financial cycle. They maintain their course, perhaps even seizing the opportunity to expand their portfolio judiciously. This approach not only minimizes losses, but also positions them for greater gains as the market recovers. Stoicism also teaches us the importance of virtue and integrity, principles that extend to our financial dealings. It advocates for responsible investing, choices that are not only profitable, but also ethically sound and sustainable. This means considering the social and environmental impacts of our investments, choosing companies and funds that prioritize ethical practices and contribute positively to society. As we integrate these Stoic principles into our financial lives, we also build a community of like-minded individuals. Stoicism teaches oikeiosis, a sense of belonging and mutual care, reminding us that our financial decisions impact more than our personal portfolio. They influence the broader economic ecosystem and ultimately, the well-being of our communities. In conclusion, embracing Stoicism does not guarantee financial success or eliminate market volatility. However, it equips us with the tools to navigate the complexities of finance with wisdom, composure, and a focus on long-term success. It transforms us from reactive participants in the financial world to proactive architects of our financial destiny. Let this series be your guide as you apply these timeless principles to enhance your financial strategy and personal growth. Join us as we explore each Stoic concept in depth, applying ancient wisdom to modern financial challenges and building a foundation of resilience, ethical integrity, and profound personal growth. Thank you for joining us today at the Spiritual Wealth Academy. Stay wise, stay calm, and let the journey to financial enlightenment continue. Dive deep with us, subscribe, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Together, let's transform chaos into clarity and fear into fortitude. Thank you for joining us today at the Spiritual Wealth Academy. Stay wise, stay calm, and let the journey to financial enlightenment continue. Dive deep with us, subscribe, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Together, let's transform chaos into clarity and fear into fortitude.